Okay, in this video we will learn how to safely use our belt and disc sander in the shop. There are two portions of this machine. There's the disc sander that is going to be on this side and the belt sander that is on this side. Even though there are two parts that you can sand on, only one person can use this at a time. The on-off switch is down underneath the disc sander, underneath this table. It's a green button for start. This is probably the most dangerous tool in the shop for you to use because it is very easy to slip your hands and accidentally hit one of these abrasive surfaces that is spinning very fast. Another very important safety concern is on the disc sander to always be sanding on the downward side. In fact, it's actually written on the table where you need to sand. Although in your safety notes it says to make sure the tables are 1/8 of an inch away from the edge of the abrasive surface, they are not adjustable. It is something that your teacher will do. When you are doing this, you will use very light pressure, okay, in order to move your board back and forth across the abrasive surface. When you are doing this, you should be getting down to the very edge of your line that is still there from where your bandsaw left. And when you are done, it should also get rid of all of the cut marks on this one edge where it says cut with bandsaw and sand right here. I'm going to do a demonstration on both the disc side and the belt side for this so that you can see how both of them work. I want you to notice where my hands are and how they're far back away from the edge, okay, holding light pressure against the abrasive surface. I will never clamp anything to this. I will never use odd shapes on any of this. I've never used any round pieces on any of this. This is for doing small curves. Okay, you are going to make sure and keep your hands away from the edges, and you're going to use light pressure against the abrasive surfaces, moving it back and forth like this. Okay, so here we go. We're going to turn it on. After you push stop, it takes this machine a long time to slow down and come to a complete stop. You are not allowed to leave or let anybody else on the machine until it comes to a complete stop. Then the next person can come in and do it. When you are done, your product should be nice and smooth like this. Okay? That is how we safely use a belt and disc sander in this shop.